Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. So this week, if you haven't noticed, it is the 4th of July. If you haven't put 2 and 2 together, I'm going to make some 4th of July nails that are going to be awesome. So as you can see from the thumbnail, so don't worry, I'm going to do what I do and be quiet, and you continue watching. But before you continue watching, go down below and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. It's just awesome. You see all the other videos that I do if you push the gray notification bell, and who doesn't want to see the rest? Like everybody does. And then give it a like, please, and share it to all your 4th of July friends. So let's get started with this video. Okay, you guys, let's get started with this nail tutorial. To get started, apply your base coat to protect your natural nails, and then apply 2 coats of the colors that I show you in the way I show you. Got all of the 2 coats on your nails and it's dry a little bit. I'm going to start with the nail design. So the first nail design I'm going to do on the wedding finger. And on the wedding finger I'm going to draw a flag. So I already have the blue and the red. You want to add the white section of the flag. So a white stripes on the red and some white stars on the blue section. Add some glitter, the red glitter and blue glitter on the blue and red sections.
Every step, give me a sign, hitting the mark, take to the sky, chasing the stars, open your eyes, watching afar, waiting to fly, this is the start.
The index finger, middle finger, and pinky. Those 3 I'm going to have a ombre. Use the makeup sponge you had before or grab a new one to do this cool new ombre. The ombre color is going to be a black gray. Euphoria. Circular motion, as you will see, and I will show you. It's nice and easy, just as the regular simple ombre. And then once you do that, do the ombre, and it takes about 2 to 3 coats to get it that nice milky smoky ombre. Those nails are kind of dried. You want to finish this nail off, you want to add different glitters of different colors, blue, pink, green, just all the glitter polish that you have already, and you want to put them in the shapes in a circle shape or springed out shapes to make it look like on each of the nails. That nail is done, we're going to go to next, which is the thumb, the last one. So it's just a plain white nail polish. You want to add a matte top coat on top of there right now.
Grand and glorious.
Once the matte has mattified a little bit, and then you want to add some red and blue diamond jewels.
Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious.
Around the perimeter of the nail, of the whole nail of the thumb. Just the perimeter, not the inside, just around the whole edge. Give the nail beads some shine to it, and to also make them stick and last longer on your nails, apply some clear top coat on top of nail jewels. I will use the Pro Effects High Gloss Quick Drying Top Coat.
Now or never, strong in every.
So all you have to do is put on the Pro Effects High Gloss Quick Drying Top Coat on the rest of the floor nails.
Sky, chasing the stars, open your eyes, watching afar.
And you see the magic of it being sealed and protected. And once you have finished all of that, yeah, you have completed your 4th of July nails, and you have some stunning, cool nails.
Living the dream, yours and mine.
Okay, you guys, what do you think about these 4th of July nails? These awesome 4th of July nails? Go down below and comment, please. And then, you know, if you haven't already, because you've been looking at my video, and if you're new, go and subscribe and hit that great notification bell and give it a like and give it a share to everyone who's ready for the 4th of July, who give it a like if you like fireworks. Give it a like if you're gonna do some fireworks. Just give it a like. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be here with another nail tutorial for you next week. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.